Fuck you, haters! This video is not for kids! Go find another toilet to shit on!